Welcome to our video on understanding cost per minute, CPM, in garment manufacturing. Cost per minute, CPM, is a financial metric used to calculate the cost of running a particular operation or process for 1 minute. This financial metric is crucial for controlling operational costs and is also applicable in other time-sensitive industries where efficiency is key. Let's explore the types of costs involved in calculating CPM. These costs are vital for financial planning, pricing strategies, and overall cost control, helping businesses manage their resources effectively. In garment manufacturing, costs are categorized into direct and indirect. Direct costs are expenses that can be directly traced to a specific product, service, or project. These costs are directly associated with the production of goods or services and vary with the level of production or service delivery. Direct costs are expenses that can be directly linked to a specific product, service, or project. These costs typically fluctuate with changes in production volume. As production increases, so do direct costs, because they are directly attributable to a particular cost object. Direct costs are straightforward to identify and allocate. They play a significant role in determining the production cost of a specific item or project. Indirect costs are expenses that cannot be directly assigned to a specific product, service, or project. These costs may either remain constant irrespective of production levels, fixed costs, or change partially with production levels, semi-variable costs. Because they support multiple products, services, or projects, indirect costs are allocated based on a cost driver. They affect the overall cost structure of the business rather than the cost of a single product. Examples in a manufacturing setting. Imagine a factory that produces shirts. The examples of direct cost are direct materials and direct labor, sewing machine operators, cutting staff, quality control inspectors. The examples of indirect cost are indirect materials, sewing machine oil, cleaning supplies, maintenance parts, packaging materials, and indirect labor, maintenance technicians, supervisors, and managers. Thank you for watching our video on cost per minute in garment manufacturing. We hope this information helps you in managing costs effectively and improving operational efficiency.